Pass to Panganiban, pass to number 10. Dumiskarte, 2 points. Number 6, pass to number 4, takes the 3. Sobra, rebound to number 10, nagkakatapitan. Jump balls. Number 3 takes the shot. Sobra. Nakuha ni number 7. Number 7, pass to number 14. Para zone 6. Number 4, pass to number 1. Pass to number 6, kumina yung 3. Uy, sayang naman. 2 points by number. Pass to Gonzalez. Pass to number 7. 2 points by number. Wala, rebound by number 8. Shoot. Bawal number 10. Wala, bawal number 8. 2 points by number 8. Bawal number 4. Pass number 6. 2 points. Bawal first row. Joshua takes the 3 points. Number 3. Nagawa ng bola. Number 3 up. Who's power? No good. Number 4. Pass number 6. 15 to shoot. Pass number 2. 12 to shoot. 2 pass number 8. What's number 3, uy, pinasa sa number 2. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 9. Number 3, walang tawag ng referee. 2 points by number 2. Pass number 2. Pass number 10. Pass number 8. No good, 3 good. Number 9, Kylie. Kylie, Mr. Lompang. 2 points. Joshua, nagpapit, nakuha ni number 6 na kapina. Uy! 3 points by number 4. Wala. 10 ball. Number 8, 2. Number 8, 2 points. Tinatawag ni number 10. Pass number 2. Pass number 3. Nagtatapigan. Ako pa yung number 3. Pass number 7. Pass number 2. Uy! Gravity. Sabrep. Number 6. Dive to the basket. Wala. Rebound pa yung Kylie. Pass number 3. Jumps. Pass to Ayo. Pass to Panganiban. Ali yung pass. Wala. Rebound pa number 10. 2 points by number 8. Basket. Control. No good. Rebound by number 8. Tawa number 11. Number 9. Wala. Tawa number 11. Pass number 7. Pass number 1. Wala. Wala pa rin. Number 8. 2 points. Tama.